Atkins Civil 3D video series, Water 2B, Existing Water Services. This video illustrates A. Create existing water service pipe network, B. Default settings for the network, and C. Create service pipe and water meters. Due to the differences in the parts catalog, a separate pipe network is created for the existing water services. The default settings, right-click the drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers, appurtenance, existing water service, appurtenance labeling, existing water text, fitting, existing water service, fitting labeling, existing water text, pressure network section, existing water service, pressure part profile, existing water service, pressure part table, existing water text, pressure pipe, existing water service, pressure pipe labeling, existing water text. OK. Right-click the pressure network, edit feature settings, default styles, pressure pipe default style, existing water service, fitting default style, existing water fitting, appurtenance default style, existing water meter, appurtenance plan label style, existing water meter, pressure pipe label style, existing water service, fitting profile label style, no label, default parts list, existing water service, appurtenance profile label style, no label, pressure pipe label style, no label, default name format, pressure pipe network name template, existing water service. OK. Create existing water service network, home ribbon, create design panel, pipe network, pressure network creation tools, network name, existing water service, parts list, existing water service, layers, existing water service. OK. Surface name, existing surface with aerial, alignment name, Ken Crown, pressure pipe label style, existing water service, fitting label style none, appurtenance label style, existing water meter. OK. In the pressure networks, check that the existing surface, alignment, and the pressure network parts list are correct. Pipe 1-inch HDPE, appurtenance water meter, pipes only. Pick the end of the pipe on the building side of the meter. Pick the location where the pipe is connected to the existing water main. Escape. Add appurtenance. Pick the location on the pipe where the existing water meter is. The connect glyph will appear and pick. Repeat for all existing water services. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.